Okay, in the next video we're going to have a look at when sine is positive and negative, when cos is positive and negative, and when tan is positive and negative. So from what we've looked at with the unit circle in the past, we know that for any angle, the horizontal distance is equal to cos and the vertical distance is equal to sine. If we think about that in really simple terms, if the horizontal distance is cos, then that means cos links with the x-axis. And if the vertical distance is sine, that means it links with the y value. So in the first quadrant, both my x value and my y value are both positive. So if the x value is positive, we can say that cos theta is positive. And if the y value is positive, we can say sine theta is positive. Now in our previous lesson we also discussed that tan is equal to sine divided by cos. So if I have sine divided by cos, then a positive divided by a positive is a positive. Tan's also positive in the first quadrant. When I go to the second quadrant, the x value is negative, so now cos theta is negative. The y value is positive, so sine theta is still positive. And if tan is sine divided by cos, then tan is a positive number divided by a negative number, which is a negative number. In the third quadrant, the x value is negative, so cos theta is negative. The y value is negative, so sine theta is negative. And then a sine divided by cos, a negative divided by a negative, will be a positive value. In the fourth quadrant, x value is positive again, so we can say that cos theta is positive. The y value is negative, so sine theta is negative. And a negative divided by a positive for tan theta will be a negative value. So in the first quadrant, all three of them are positive. In the second quadrant, just sine is positive. Third quadrant, tan is positive. And in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So a simple way of remembering which function's positive, in the first one, they all are. In the second quadrant, just sine is. In the third quadrant, tan is. And in the fourth quadrant, cos is. So we end up with all students talk crap. My easiest recommendation for how to remember. All students talk crap. Done.